So we start off with someone who has dull, boring hair. Looks like she's looking to add some volume to her strands. So we get a good view at the back, and you can definitely tell that her hair is damaged, probably from color. Bam! Beautiful bob haircut. Now her hair really has a nice texture to it after the cutting. It looks so much healthier. The color, the cut, everything. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have someone with long hair who also decided to get a shoulder length bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. This is such a simple, chic, effortless style. And then we see someone with rather long hair. And she has also decided to try out a bob. Beautiful. So the next transformation features quite a bit of choppy cutting. The hair is placed into ponytails. And a beautiful pixie bob. I love the color that she has with this. Absolutely gorgeous. Really features a nice layered look, creating some texture and volume. So here we have another long to short transformation. Another gorgeous bob style. She looks absolutely beautiful. Such a clean, polished bob haircut. Here we have another beautiful pixie bob variation. Wow. Loving her gray hair color. So pretty. Her hair is so volumized. Very nice. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. It looks like she decided to get a beautiful bob haircut. Very pretty. Love the dramatic angle that this has. So next up we have another bob haircut. This one is definitely more of a classic bob. Beautiful, nice, simple, and chic. Very pretty. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And she has also decided to switch it up with this bob haircut. Alright, you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.